Where do they come from? Where is it possible? We talk about many other countries, but it's only possible a majority of the people to come from India. As a matter of fact, in all the developed countries, the mathematics professionals are from India. This is the basis and foundation for our future development and future growth. So that's why I see the IT, when I took over this portfolio, which is mostly based on mathematical, logical, rational approaches in science. So I never consider that is information technology. I consider as Indian talent, as a matter of fact. IT is nothing but Indian talent. That's where 1 out of every 3 in the world IT professionals or experts, 1 is from India. So it's a matter of pride for all of us. I am really happy. I didn't realize that I see such kind of thing here today because I didn't have much time to go through their activity, and I am really very, very happy, and it gives me immense pleasure. It's a matter of pride for me that Hyderabad is hosting such an event, such initiation from Hyderabad. And here with 50,000 students, possibly for these young minds, up to 13 years, 2 hours over the weekend, I believe, and for some of the youngsters in the private schools, possibly 1 or 2 classes a week. This is definitely a good beginning. This beginning has to be taken forward to cater to the future requirements. And I think now I see our state government has to take a lesson or initiation from this experiment, what you're doing, and I'm sure we will make it part of the curriculum in the coming days in schools and primary schools. So this will enhance the mathematical capability of the students and for the future employment opportunities. As a matter of fact, this what I would like to suggest to the Chief Minister and to the Education Minister, having seen this, having a wonderful experience here, so that the opportunity what is being given to a few 50,000 students all over the country may be made it to all the people in the educational institutions of the government and non-governmental institutions. This will go a long way in building up a good base and foundation for the future development country and take part in the growing sector. This is what I would like to say on this occasion. Not only that, the mind is sharper. Somebody was saying in the good old days, our priests and munis and swamis sitting somewhere, doing something, uttering some shlokas, they managed to, do everything. Now I think it's not documented, but I think it was true after use of this instrument. You know what? I talk here and something get activated. It's what the Indian mythology or Indian scripts, whatever they are, I am only repeating it, rediscovering ourselves in a new technological field. So now I have a reason to believe whatever Shastras has told, whatever Shastras have documented, whatever Shastras have done, that means India, Bharat, was much ahead of any other civilization, much ahead of any other community in science and technology, having seen facing today what we are using today. Our children today, the education system will go a radical change in the coming days. We have seen, but now it will be an education revolution with this kind of thing and e-learning. When I talk to small children about alphabets, he says A for apple. He doesn't show the fruit apple. He shows only this one. When I ask for B, he says berry. He doesn't show the blackberries on the dining table kept there, but he shows a berry on the other hand from his father or mother as a matter of fact. He says Google. When I ask for F, he says Facebook. Now, I must say, seeing you, after witnessing what you are doing, I think H stands for what? Hyderabad. Because Hyderabad has become the center of innovative training program, and I am sure from here afterwards all the children will take it as H for Hyderabad. Hyderabad definitely most happening city, most happening place. That's besides the point. The government is also trying to do its part in e-learning. After United States, Malaysia and Singapore, we have tied up with Google on their educational platform for high schools and primary schools to have this e-learning process, and we are taking up for the first time in the country outside Malaysia, Singapore and United States this educational platform to the children on a pilot basis in 4 schools from this month onwards. And it's a long way to go, and I am sure your efforts will enhance, will create an atmosphere, will give an impetus for this kind of learning for the future growth of India, and participate and create an opportunity for youngsters in the development of the country by providing employment opportunities, by competing in the world. And I am sure we will not be second to anyone if we have the right atmosphere, right ecosystem, right inputs in the schools and colleges. That's why I call this is the era of education revolution. And I am glad that you have taken the first step about 7.5 years ago in India, where the largest amount of employment opportunities are there, and you have started at the right earnest at the training these young minds.